The stagflation he was asked about 11 months ago is very different from what he faces now. And Guy, we're kind of simpatico in that thinking. That was exactly the question I asked him, which is how the Bank of Canada responded to that, where he said, hey, or the Bank of Canada said, I'm going to deal with inflation and I can't do much about a trade war. Powell didn't kind of take that bait, didn't take that stance. He kind of said, we're going to wait and see. We don't have that problem now. He is indeed, as you say, Guy, facing likely higher prints on inflation, likely lower prints on growth, but neither is going to dissuade him, I think, or persuade him into the idea of hiking rates, because he thinks he's in a good place and because the unemployment rate is relatively low. And growth has been pretty strong. Look, if the bottom drops out, the Fed will act. And that's the idea. There's a couple different ways to get to lower rates, lower inflation as well as lower growth, higher unemployment. So there's two different ways to get there. And it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of ways or a whole lot of routes right now to higher rates themselves.